Now we will begin the topic, the coastal plains. Kids, as we have studied in the previous chapter, what is coast? Coast is the place where the land meets the sea. This we have already studied, that coast is the place where land and sea meets. So, the coastal plains are divided into two parts: the western coastal plains, the eastern coastal plains. First, we will study about eastern coastal plains. The eastern coastal plain is a wide stretch of land lying between the Eastern Ghats and the Bay of Bengal. See, if we see this eastern coastal plain, here lies the Bay of Bengal. So, towards the east of India lies the Bay of Bengal, and between the Eastern Ghats and the Bay of Bengal lies a stripe of flat land, and this forms the eastern coastal plains. Now, western coastal plains. The western coastal plains consist of a narrow stripe of the land in the western part of India between the Western Ghats and the Arabian Sea. So, towards the west of India lies the Arabian Sea. So, the narrow stretch of lowland between the Western Ghats and the Arabian Sea forms the western coastal plain. And kids, the temperature in the coastal plains is moderate. That is, neither too hot nor too cold. Now, we will start the topic, the islands. Kids, an island is a piece of land surrounded by water on all sides. See, this is a piece of land and it is surrounded by the water on all four sides. So, this is called an island. Before this, we have studied about peninsula. So, peninsula is a piece of land surrounded by water on three sides. But here, this is a piece of land. It is surrounded by water on all sides. So, this is an island. The island groups of India. Let's study about the island groups of India. India has a vast mainland. Besides this, the country has also two groups of islands. That is the Lakshadweep Islands and the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So let's study about them. See, this is close view of the map. Here you will find out the location of Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Lakshadweep Islands. Lakshadweep Islands. The Lakshadweep Islands are famous for their coral reefs and it is located in the Arabian Sea. Lakshadweep Island is located in the Arabian Sea. See this picture. This is coral reefs. Now you will think, what is coral reefs? Kids, a coral reefs means a mountain-like range. You can say a ridge. Ridge means a mountain-like range of rock in the sea formed by the growth and deposit of coral. Coral are animals. Coral falls under the category of animals. So, these reefs are formed by the growth and deposit of coral. See, this is coral reefs. This is coral reefs. This. So, these are formed just like a range of mountain. And do you know, kids? These deposits, they extract limestone from this underground water, and then this deposit is formed. So, mainly Lakshadweep Islands are famous for their coral reefs. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands consist of 572 small islands. And do you know, kids, the Andaman and Nicobar Islands are the Indian archipelago in the Bay of Bengal. Archipelago means group of islands. Group of islands. So, it lies in the Bay of Bengal. So, thank you so much, kids. I hope you all have enjoyed the chapter. Now, wherever you have query, you just write down the question in your rough notebook, and tomorrow when we have an online class, you can discuss your problems. I will definitely clear your doubts. Thank you so much, kids. Have a happy learning.